Hi guys, the video show how we use workflow with Agno for create a new project or API. In last video I showed my team, so this is my team, and I have some agents. Okay, in my workflow, my name is the Capybara TR. I use my team for create a new project. So I I created a Golang API folder and I will run my workflow for create API inside this folder. Here I have a prompt in some place. Sure. Then I use my web profile for create API in Golang. My path and use the structure and my GitHub. Let's run this. My workflow started to analyze the folder and get structured in my GitHub. After this, start create inside our folder. Okay. Then here show every step then in workflow. First step, read the URL. This log is not very good for read. And write file, write file, write file. Show some message, and we are great. Sim the folder, go mod, internal, domain, helpers. This structure I use in my personal projects. It is our workflow is end and create our structure. Let's try run this and I think this work. Run. This hello world. But I think this is API. Don't create API, only hello world. Then I use my workflow again. Remove it. And my new prompt. Analyze folder. And use this for date to API using echo package. Let's try it. Then workflow list the files again, every files. The main program file range contain base hello world. Internal directory request update the API using echo package. Deploy framework for Go. Then I will for the task Golang select them. Then my team use our agent Golang for read files and create files or delete files. But the agent only only interpret this prompt, but our tool creates these files. Our Explorer tool. Let's again. This maybe this work. Let's run this now. So no recurring mode because then this create but don't install the package. Then again example, other roman and fix bugs. Let's run this. Okay, read again, read the files. I think I don't remember if the agents have permission for run. Okay. Não instala this package. Oh, I can't fix this. Let's try folder run man. Man or room go get for install this and room project. Let's try it. If I need to update this prompt because this create a project but don't install dependencies. But work. I need I need to update this. Let's see this. Execute project here. I think final this install dependencies. Okay. Let's enter and room dot dash. Mm, don't add. I try this. I have folder. I passed error. Let's see what workflow do for this. Get error, check go mods. But I think my Golang agents nor running. Go get. Run this. I need to update this agent for install the packages because my agent let's see again. This create my execute, but have go some but not installed here. Let's try if we run go get. I will add this command in my agent in my Golang. I can add for project. I have installed packages. I run project and fix bugs. I don't know why don't running. Okay, I run this. It's work. Only work you need to install packages. It's very interesting. So when you use the Agno for create workflow, you need and update some agents or some tools. Like my file explorer, I need to add a new function for write file because the agent only read and list files, don't are write the file. It's very, very, very student. This, thank you for watch. I see you next.